Nice wet windy day, roof truss has just arrived, which I'll show you shortly. So we're going to unload all them, get them around the back, and then we will show you around the back, and hopefully we can start cracking on with this roof then. Right, today's video is how to fit truss roofs. As you can see behind us, we've started. We're going to show you the plans now, which you follow by, and then we will time lapse everything and you'll see how we fit it. Right, as you can see, this is the truss roof plan. So we've got all our layout of our roof. So we've got a double hip, so coming out here, that's a hip coming up. And then again from this point, running through into another hip. So we're going to have a valley here and a valley here. We'll do a little box gutter detail down here to join onto the garage roof. But basically, all you do is send them the plans, and they will basically work all this out for you, send it over, and you just got to fit as per plans, and then you can't go wrong. Just want to show you a little tip we've done today. So you see where the trusses end up against this double. We have screwed a 4x2 underneath, just so we can sit them all day long. We don't have to worry, so basically as we chuck them up, we can sit on the wall plate on the far end, we can sit on this, and then we can just slide them into place to suit accordingly. I can't quite show you properly because it's quite tight, but let me see if I can get up here. It's the day one. Main parts have got it all up. All we've got to do now is just put the cut jacks in and a couple more braces. Is a truss roof, all sorted, just sorting out the soffit and fascias. All around, so we've got a valley going up here, a valley on the other side coming down. We've got a small hip here as well. So basically this little detail here, the ridge tiles are going up here, down into the small valley. We've got another 2 hips down there, and then we've got to do on the far end, well, to the existing house and garage, we've got to do a box gutter to take the water from the valley coming down to the other side down there, which we'll show you in a minute. We've got all the little blocks in ready, the soffits, they're all done, got our 8x1 on ready to go, all the trusses being built and braced, and that's pretty much it for a minute. I'm just finishing off the last couple of bits of blocks to do. So we're ready to go. Hiya everybody, today is roof day, so we're going to get it all sorted. Just had delivery now. Celotex, all the chipboards, we've got all our roofing materials, battens, all the tiles, all the ridges, all the lead, all the dry beds, everything's here ready to go. I'll take you around now and we'll go have a look. We've also got main man Lewis here today. So Lewis is doing a lot of content for us today, recording it. We'll be on the drone and the cameras. We've just got the We're just putting all the loft roll up now because it's a lot easier doing it now than it is after, before the roof is coming, because they get it all watertight today. So we're getting it all done and ready now, so we're out their way. We'd have to struggle doing it after.